Why do so many men today act lazy and think women they meet are to be their moms? Listen, separate your emotion with this content and act like a man. Because most guys are lazy, preferring to play video games or eat junk food rather than train and learn new things. This is why many never succeed in life. Chess teaches us that losing is due to our own mistakes. Life is like chess. Your success depends on your actions. If you're not strong, it's your fault for not training harder. If you're not rich, it's your fault for not working harder. If you get wet in the rain, it's your fault for not bringing an umbrella. If your life is a mess and you're lazy, it's entirely your fault. But don't worry, I'm here to help you fix your life. In this video, we'll cover 6 principles for immediate life transformation. Stick around until the end. Maybe the last one can change your mind. Principle 1, do more. You'd win more if you did more. You want to be rich, but how many times have you truly tried to make money? Maybe once or twice? You have 365 days a year, and you've only tried 3 times. You'd win more if you did more. You're a failure because you don't do anything. World champion boxers throw countless punches. Renowned artists paint countless pieces. Billionaires start multiple businesses. You only hear about their wins, not their losses. You lose because you never do. Try once, lose, and quit. You'd win more if you did more. Raw action solves everything. Principle 2, stop living in the past. Losers love to talk about what they used to do, could have done, or should have done. Winners focus on the present and future. You are only as good as the current moment. Yesterday is quickly forgotten by most. Keep moving forward, no matter how slowly. Principle 3, manage emotions. The modern world often gives men the wrong advice based on a feminine point of view. Men are different beings. If you listen to your feelings, you might act out violently. Instead, bottle up your emotions temporarily, remain stoic, and do what needs to be done. Then, find an appropriate time and place to use your emotions constructively. Principle 4, mental health. Most people handle mental health issues incorrectly by talking endlessly about their feelings and taking medication, wondering why they keep struggling for decades. The remedy is often physical, not mental. A sedentary lifestyle is unnatural and leads to deterioration. Our bodies consist of over 70% water. Stagnant water rots, flowing water doesn't. Push yourself to physical exhaustion, and your mental health will improve. Many people prefer to pay for medication rather than experience natural remedies through discomfort. Humans deteriorate in comfort. Increase your blood flow, get some daylight, and see the improvement in your mental health. If this doesn't help, you may need to heal from deep-rooted trauma, which requires accepting and confronting painful past events. Principle 5, the gift of pain. Success isn't easy. It's hyper-competitive. You're up against people with more skills, passion, capital, talent, and bigger networks. To compete, you'll need an advantage, and sometimes, pain is that advantage. Most people seek healing prematurely, either because they can't handle the pain or society convinces them to seek therapy. While there's a time and place for healing, doing it too early can mean throwing away your advantage. Use your pain as fuel to accomplish your goals. Every respected person has used their trauma to achieve big things before healing. Will you seek comfort immediately and waste your suffering, or will you give your pain a purpose to reach your goals? Principle 6, focus. Most people don't reach their goals because they lack focus. They set multiple goals while motivated, but accomplish none. You don't need to be a genius or have incredible genetics to reach your goals. Just focus. Concentrate every ounce of your time and energy on one goal. Focus is like a laser. Spread too wide, it does nothing. But concentrated, it cuts through steel. Pick one respectable goal and focus on it this year. You'll overcome any obstacle. So, what is your single goal for 2024? If you're unsure, take your time to choose a goal you have a burning desire for, rather than a random one. Progress 1% every day, please, for yourself. That's it. Subscribe to our channel.